To return Hollister clothes online, begin by visiting the Hollister Start My Return page. Log in using your order number and the email address associated with your purchase. Once logged in, you'll see a list of items from your order. Select the items you want to return, choose a reason for each return, and provide any additional feedback if required. After confirming your details, Hollister will generate a prepaid shipping label for you to download and print. Ensure you package the items securely in their original condition with all tags attached. Add the return label to the package and drop it off at the specified carrier location such as USPS or UPS. Keep a copy of your receipt or tracking number as proof of return. Refunds are typically issued once the return is processed, which can take a few business days after Hollister receives the items. Refunds will be sent to the original payment method, and shipping fees might not be refunded depending on their return policy. If you encounter issues during the return process, you can contact Hollister customer support for assistance.